Hi everyone, my name is Julia Wang and I'm the broker of Next Gen Real Estate, and today we are at our new listing at 6642 Westchester Avenue. This home is located in West University, which is one of the best and most expensive neighborhoods in Houston, with a median price of over $1 million and new construction consistently selling at over $2 million. However, it has one of the best 5 and 10-year appreciation rates of any neighborhood here in Houston. Most notably, it's zoned to West University Elementary, which is one of the top-rated schools here in the United States, and it also has its own police force, which boasts that it has the best crime rates in all of Houston. This immaculate custom home was built in 2006, but was recently completely remodeled and renovated with contemporary luxury finishes. I know a lot of you have been working from home lately. So what do you think about this space? All of my followers know that I love hosting elegant dinner parties, and this formal dining room is perfect. Check out this spacious living area with tons of natural lighting. And this kitchen with its custom cabinetry, quartzite countertops, marble backsplash, stainless steel Viking appliances, and brand new gold fixtures. This kitchen is what dreams are made of. Would you live here? Located on a 7,500 square foot lot, this backyard can easily accommodate a pool that is perfect for the hot summer days. This home has so many beautiful details, like these wrought iron finishes, the wainscoting on the walls. I love these windows. And these arches make me feel like I'm a princess in my own castle. I can't think of a better place to relax and unwind than this primary bedroom retreat. And it comes with its own separate sitting area. And every princess needs their dream closet filled with designer shoes and purses. I love showing you guys our new listing today, and to see more, check out my previous IGTV, or you can contact me for a private tour. Also, if you're looking to sell a luxury listing here in Houston or the surrounding areas, the team here at Next Gen Real Estate would love to help you. Bye.